Sam's taking a piss right now.
We're gonna wait till she lets it go and we're gonna open the door. She locked it.
That's a fail.
Okay, that's Allie. Oh, she looks very sexy. That's Allie. That's Sybil singing to a song that I have no idea what it is. And there's Megan. And there's Stephanie. Hey, I can show you who RJ is now. RJ! He's not looking his best.
What?
I'm making a video. Say hi. Oh, he just did his jizz face.
You better save some memory for tonight.
I just got a boner. That's Vivian. He's my problem. We just skipped it. Mine. That's twin number 2. Twin number 1. Dominic. And we're having so much fun here. Oh, look, it's Target. That's Brandon. That's Jess. Brandon! Just skinny ass over here. Say hi to the camera.
I was singing.
That's Brandon. He's a dork. And he's straight, by the way. Oh, Jesus. Karina's right here. Damn it, we didn't hear Sam pee. Snap.